massive bullishness. So seen across indices, be it the DAX, the UK 100, or the Nasdaq and Dow. Dow Jones created record high levels, and as well as the DAX, both are trading at the record highs, while Nasdaq has gone close to it and FTSE 100 is just trading by. So what to expect from these indices today? Are we expecting the indices to continue trading bullish, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the DAX, UK 100, Nasdaq and Dow? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First update for the day, next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Do like, share and comment, and do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. Let's start. First we'll look into DAX, and yes, if you're not joined the channel membership, do join the channel membership. If you look at DAX and the hourly charts, moving average is trading with divergence, staying bullish. Higher lows, higher highs are seen. Now see, one point here to note is, look at the acceleration here, and then it is flattened here, and then we can see a reversal. Now the support levels at 17,350, 340 are strong, and thus the selling entry is below 17,340 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 17,300 and 280 levels, which are greater support levels. Also on the hourly charts, you'll find it delivering lower highs and higher lows. And in fact, you can sell here at 17,380 levels itself, but then we have to be very cautious. As long as 17,340 levels are not breached on the downside, you have to put a 20-point trailing stop loss. Stochastic has dropped, MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, bearishness looking downwards. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Coming to 2 hour chart, similar observation. One sharp red candle, possibility for it to move towards 17,340 and 300 exist, but right now it is not showing any signs of reversal. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green. Look at the waves here, and if it crosses over, it can lead to another red wave. RSI overbought. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. I will expect it to deliver a second red candle in succession, but yes, you can only sell if you see it trading below 17,380, where you can look forward to 17,280, 250 levels as well. The stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD trying to converge a bit. RSI overbought. And likewise on the 4 hour charts, nothing different. Yes, prices are trading with little divergence from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 17,240. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is also bullish. RSI is overbought. So see, indicators are overbought here. Thus, we can expect it to charts here. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, see the candle is outside Bollinger Bands, which suggests that there should be a pullback. Also, it is started with a flat note, which suggests that it can try to retrace a little. One can expect it to get support from 17,340 first support zone, and in fact, it can try to move below 300 levels as well. Be watchful of this. There could be a little. It can try to erase some of the gains today. There is a possibility to it. See, it is trading in this channel, way the bottom of this channel somewhere here at around 17,100 levels. The stochastic, you can see, is overbought. MACD, this is one thing which is still divergent and bullish. Then this suggests that there is a still bullishness left in DAX. RSI is rising as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 17,450 and sell at 17,380. Do not trade for this 17. Above 17,450, we can expect it to move towards 17,500 levels, though I do not expect it to break 17,450 levels today. A possibility of even if it tries to break, possibility of a pullback will be very high. Thus, buy at 17,450, expect 17,480, 500 as the first resistance level, and beyond that we can expect it to move towards 17,560 levels, chances for which appears to be very less. But these are markets, what bullishness we have seen, it can go any which ways. On the downside, a selling entry at 17,380, but then you have to be careful at around 17,340, 50 levels, and below that we can see it hitting 17,300, 260 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE 100. See, FTSE 100, after showing this sharp drop, it has retraced. See, the slope here and here is different, and it is getting resistance at 7700 levels. Now the support at 7660, very strong. In fact, if you see it trading below 7675, you can initiate a selling entry, expect it to move towards 7660, very good support. And then if it draws below 7660, more bearishness may prevail, taking it till towards 764035 level, the next strongest support. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is trying to cross over for sell, and this could lead to slight bearishness. RSI is flat. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. Moving averages are still have not crossed over and are trading with divergence. But this candle I will be watchful of. If any drop below 768075 levels should lead to slight bearishness here. If you look at stochastic, this has also dropped sharply. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is flat. And on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. One must notice there is a reversal sign after a series of smaller green candles, first red candle, second red candle. We can expect it to trade with slight bearish bias from here. In fact, we can look forward to 7660, 640 levels. Stochastic dropping here, MACD is in green, trying to trade with very little divergence, RSI flat. On the 4-hour charts also, similar observation here. Yes, you can sell here at 7675 levels, below which certainly slight bearishness to be seen. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in red, RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart, if you look at the daily charts, look at the preceding candle was a swing candle, and you can see it has achieved the lows and before closing in green. Now for the day, it is very important for it to break beyond 7700 levels and 7720 levels. If these two levels are taken, consider that FTSE 100 is going to give you extreme bullishness. But look at the movement here: rise, retracement, higher lows, higher highs, and there is a possibility for it to move towards the lows of the channel, which are right now at around 7550. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is in green, RSI is looking down as well. Thus, considering this, a buying entry at 7700 and a selling entry at 7675 can be taken. If you are selling at 7675, be careful at around 7660, 7640, 35 levels, which are very very good support. Only below 7635, you can say now the prices will turn bearish, else it is not to be treated bearish. On the upside, above 7700, you can expect 7720 levels, 7715 levels first resistance, and after that the bulls will take over towards 7750. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Before we look into Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Register yourself, reach out to me for more details. Yes, equip yourself with the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Ping me on Telegram or write an email for any of your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel. Now look at the hourly charts for US100, double top here, and since then it has traded bearish, but it is delivering a flat top and higher lows. That it is very very important for it to now break below 17,960, 920 zone, which is going to be a greater support. And there is a possibility for it to reverse, but it is, see, the bullish momentum has certainly diminished, but it is also delivering higher lows here. Thus, in fact, I will recommend you to sell here at 17,970 levels itself, where you can expect it to move towards 17,940, 920 zone, and then 880, the next support levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI overbought. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Only thing in the 2-hour charts is it is tried to give a breakout. Thus, yes, if you see it trading below 17,970, you can initiate a selling entry here. See, prices are trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. It may try to converge, but also one must look at how it is trading thus far. Is, see, this is staying in this bullish channel. We have to wait for it to come out of this bullish channel. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is overbought here. And on the 3-hour chart, see, signs of consolidation, bearishness diminishing. Thus, as long as 17,970, 940 levels are not taken, we should not be treating Nasdaq 100 as bearish. Stochastic overbought here, MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is overbought as well. And on the 4-hour charts, similar observation. Yes, you should notice higher lows, lower highs. Thus, very very important for it to stay below 17,970, 940 zone. Stochastic is overbought here, MACD is bullish, RSI is flat. And on the daily chart, now look at the daily charts. First of all, previous highs at 18,040. Now this is the second highs here at 18,030, 18,040 zone. Same highs almost. Consider it as double top, and even if it tries to rise, it has to break below beyond 18,040 in order to confirm the reversal. And the further rise beyond 18,04050, we are looking forward to 18,120 and 18,180 levels. But right now, if you look at the momentum here, you will find it is formed almost double top. Second is, after retracement, it is trying to give a breakout. Second is stronger bullish candle. Thus, right now I do see this as a expanding bearish triangle here, which is certainly bearish in nature. Thus, it is only applicable if it stays below 18050 levels. We can expect it to retrace here, and thus you can sell here at 17,980 level, or rather a bit safer at 17,970. Wait for it to break below 17,940. If these two levels are taken, we can expect it to move towards 900 880 levels at the next support level, and below which further bearishness can be seen, where we can look forward to 17,840 800 as the next targets. And on the upside, beyond 18,050, we can expect it to move towards 120 180 levels as the next targets. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Likewise, with US30, it has formed the support toward 39,000. It is very important for now to US30 to break below 39,000 levels in order to confirm bearishness. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, the bullishness is getting diminished. In fact, you can sell at 39,080, wait for it to break below 39,050, 39,030 levels, and then 39,000 levels, below which it can try to trade with slight bearishness. Yes, it appears it is at the cusp right now. The stochastic overbought, MACD also at the cusp here, trying to cross over for sell. This could bring slight bearishness. RSI overbought. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, it is not showing much signs of bearishness here. It is still looking upwards. And if you look at the stochastic, this is also overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI overbought. Everything is overbought as of now. On the 3 hour charts, the important part is the preceding two candles coming with double bottom, and this candle can achieve highs before reversing. Very important for US30 to trade below 39,000, 38,950 levels in order to confirm reversal. Overbought, overbought, overbought. Everything is overbought right now on indicators, but it is not showing any signs of reversal. Remember this fact. Same observation on the 4 hour charts as well. Prices are also divergent from the moving average, which are far below at around 38,800 levels. Stochastic is also overbought. MACD is extremely divergent. RSI is overbought here. Coming to daily charts. On the daily charts, remember, it is staying outside Bollinger Bands and it is putting pressure on Bollinger Bands to expand a bit. Second observation, it has formed a tail, but I will wait for it to break the preceding highs at 39,150 in order to confirm a reversal or a continuation of the bullishness here. Thus, it is only bullish if it trades above 39,150 levels, where we can expect it to move towards 39,220, and then beyond that, sky is the limit towards 39,350 levels. And see, 280 is also one resistance, but then more bullishness can be seen as and how it breaks these resistances. Though after such a sharp candle, there is a possibility of a slight retracement on the downside towards 38,900, 38,800 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here again for buys, RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 39,080. Expect it to move towards 39,040, 39,000 and 38,950. If these three levels are taken, consider that US30 is turning bearish. We can look forward to 38,800 again. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy at 39,150 and expect it to move towards 39,220. And if it breaks beyond 39,218, 220 zone, you can say now the bulls will take over towards 39,280 and then 39,400 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.